akan buat satu laporan polis terhadap pegawai pilihan raya yang bernama Anwar Muhammad Zain yang telah membuat satu tindakan yang jelas melanggari keputusan mahkamah dan salah di sisi undang-undang. Ini adalah satu tindakan yang memang menunjukkan seorang pegawai pilihan raya itu bias, belak sebelah dan tidak mempertimbangkan proses pilihan raya harus dijalankan dengan telus dan juga adil, dan tindakan ini sengaja menafikan hak pengundi untuk memilih parti atau wakil rakyat yang digemari oleh pengundi. Saya telah berbincang dengan pihak peguam saya dan tindakan susulan undang-undang akan diambil, tapi untuk langkah pertama saya akan buat laporan polis untuk rakamkan rekod bahawa tindakan pegawai SPR itu adalah salah dari sisi undang-undang. So I'm very sad and outraged by the manner the returning officers handled the case, citing his power was absolute, and he has the right to deny my nomination, despite court ruling state very clearly that I am qualified to be a candidate, and there were also ruling from speakers as well as the recent courts, High Court, all clearly stated that I'm not disqualified. It is an action that was done unilaterally and also reflecting the bias of the returning officers. So I have discussed just now with my various legal advice. They are working out on some remedy. Hopefully it can take immediate mitigation. In the meantime, I have to first file a police report against the election commission for blatant violation of my right as a candidate, as well as denying the rights of Batu voters to vote for the party or the candidate of their choice. This cannot be done by the returning officer in such an underhanded manner. So I'll make a police report first, and then I will probably take a few questions later. Okay, thank you for your coming, and I urge the Batu voters to stay calm and not lose hope or despair, and we will make sure that their rights are being preserved, and in the meantime continue to campaign against Barisan Nasional. We cannot tolerate such dirty tactic coming out from a very insecure kleptocratic regime. The government that has the ruling party that do not dare to compete fair and square, and using this sort of method to save their own power. This is outrageous. We must use our vote to condemn such unfair practices. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, I think the court. Yeah, the court judgment by the recent High Court, it stated very clearly that the High Court judge, citing Article 48 bracket 1E, which say that to a fine of no less than 2,000 ringgit. Then in Malay, it says, maka menurut kes Mahkamah Agung di atas yang mana mengikat semua mahkamah bawahan adalah merupakan satu otoriti yang kuat dan mengikat mahkamah ini. Oleh itu, saya berkeyakinan bahawa hukuman denda tersebut tidak akan memberi satu implikasi kepada satu pilihan raya kecil di kawasan Parlimen Batu, maka niat saya yang ikhlas itu telah dizahirkan melalui hukuman denda tersebut. Selain daripada memberi satu amaran keras daripada perayu supaya tidak mengulangi perbuatan yang sama pada masa hadapan. That is very clear that the judge himself stated it. He does not want a by-election and he doesn't think that I should be disqualified. So the Federal Constitution, which the EC deliberately misinterpret, is that a person, he has been convicted of an offence by the court of law in the Federation or before Malaysia Day in the territory comprised of the state of Sabah or Sarawak or in Singapore, and sentenced to imprisonment for a term of no less than 1 year or to a fine of no less than 2,000 ringgit and has not received a free pardon. Very clearly, no less than 2,000 means that you have to be more than 2,000. So currently, despite all the authorities stating very clear, the returning officer on the spot refused to refer to any of the judgment. In fact, I suggested him to seek the legal opinion of the Attorney General Office. The returning officer basically said that I don't need legal opinion from AG. My power is absolute. Yeah. So that is sheer arrogance and bias that displayed by the returning officers of the election for Parliament Batu. Okay, I go in first and then we see you later.